Guys, so in today's video I'm gonna make Afrobeat in 5 minutes. If you're ready, let's start the countdown. I'm gonna change the tempo to 110 BPM. Then I'm gonna start with this shaker loop over here. Let me fill the rest of the bars about. Then guys, next thing I'm gonna do is to let me delete this, create another pattern 2, where I'm gonna start with my drums. So let me go for my drums. So I'm gonna just drag the kick over here, fill each 4 steps. Then let me go for clap. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, let's go to the piano roll, fill some of the bars, Ctrl B, then come here, also go to the piano roll option, highlight this, Ctrl B. All right, okay, so guys, let me delete this one. Let's see what we've gotten so far. Okay, so I'm gonna add melodies and I'm gonna use scale at 3. Let me load scale at 3. Oh my god, so I'll go to the mood. Let's go to sad. So I'm gonna pick this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is to load expand, align this, then I'm gonna delete the scale at 3, as you can see. So now let me go to the piano roll options. All right, so I'm gonna add melodies. Let's go to this, expand, search guitar. I don't know what to choose. All right, so let's add simple melody. I'm gonna repeat this one, just bring it over here, then repeat this one, bring it over here. We're gonna make everything simple because this is a challenge. Okay, make sure it's on time. Sorry, make sure this on time. Okay, so then I'm gonna make them. Alright guys, so he's super. Let's add more percussions. Let's go to the piano roll options over here. Oh my god. Let's add crash, something crash.